Hello. We've created this video to provide ideas for managing your prescription medications. It's important to follow your doctor's instructions when taking your medications, but it's not always easy. Prescriptions can't work if people don't take them. Only 1 out of 4 people in the U.S. take their medications as directed. This leads to 125,000 unnecessary deaths every year. Not taking medications as prescribed costs about $300 billion in additional medical bills each year. So what gets in the way of taking medications as prescribed? Let's talk about the challenges and find some solutions. One of the most common reasons people give for not taking their medications is that they forgot to take their pills or forgot to fill their prescriptions. This is easy to do, especially if you take lots of medications. One tip is to take your medications at the same time every day and link them to some other activity you do daily, like brushing your teeth. If you take several pills, you might find using a pill box to organize them makes a lot of sense. Perhaps you would find a medication tracking chart or an alarm to help remind you to take your medications. Another common reason people give for not taking their medications as directed is the concern that the prescriptions may cost too much. Talk with your doctor or pharmacist about lower cost options. Ask if you can take generic drugs. Generic drugs have to pass the same quality test as brand name medications. They are just as safe and work just as well, but generics are less expensive. Ask about discount programs and coupons. Most pharmaceutical companies have patient assistant programs to help people afford their medications. Additionally, online pharmacies may save you money. Frequently, people who are not taking their medications say things like, "I feel fine," or "I don't need to take medications." Feeling well doesn't mean your medical condition is cured. Many conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or diabetes can damage your body even when you don't have symptoms. Don't stop or take less medication without talking with your doctor or pharmacist. Another common complaint about medication is that it makes people feel sick or worse. The most important thing to do is to talk to your doctor or pharmacist. They may be able to switch you to a different drug or make suggestions on how to take it that might help. For example, some medications need to be taken with food to avoid feeling bad. Some shouldn't be taken right before going to bed. Let's talk about a few more tips that will better manage your medications. Fill all your prescriptions at the same pharmacy so that your pharmacist knows everything you're taking. Talk to your pharmacist about your prescriptions. Your pharmacist is an expert and can help you take your prescriptions correctly and deal with any side effects. Ask to get all your medications on the same refill schedule, which will make it easier to manage your medications. Prescription medications can work wonders if you follow the directions and take your medications correctly. Your health and your life depend on it. For more information on taking your medications, talk to your healthcare provider or pharmacist. Learn more at stroke.org/